So guys, we have landed at Sultan Iskandar Muda International Airport, Banda Aceh. For your safety, please remain seated. You may now use your mobile phones or tablets in flight mode or connect to your mobile network. Do be careful when opening your head compartment and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Jim, First Officer Navin, and the rest of the crew member, Asel, Adi, Horace, and myself, Sarwa, I would like to say thank you for flying with us and good day. Bye-bye.